Hey, welcome back, guys. Doing a new video here. I haven't done one in a while. My CNC stuff, but I took a jump and went with a larger dust collector. Got all my regular tools, CNC touchscreen, same as you've seen in the other videos. It's my old dust collector, Harbor Freight, Central Machinery. Worked flawless all this time. It's not too loud. It's just that these aren't great the way they sit like that, because as the bag fills up, the less suction you get. So, I mean, it was enough for me. I just never went more than halfway on the bag. I always wanted to get an upright one. So I came across an amazing deal on a stand-up upright one. Seiko. So, I have it hooked up to my controller. I also have a relay where it could turn on with Mach 3 or 4. Now I'm getting good suction. Now it'll just take objects right off your hand. I don't have a guard in there. So, yeah, it's a little dirty in here. This is my new setup because I have these walls because I got everything in here. I'm still getting organized with the new house. Laser's way over there. Heat press, vinyl, cutting area, table I made. All the regular stuff. Yeah, it's my shop on a budget, so turn that off. Anyways, I was doing a video and shout out to Greg McGregor, guy I work with. He does a lot of CNC stuff at home also. So I wanted to show him the new setup. And I was quite surprised on how quiet it actually is for only 1 horsepower. It works really well. I think it's like somewhere like 3,400 RPM or something like that. So, but yeah, I mean, I can talk while it's on. It's not, I can have a conversation here. But you can see it's, that way I can fill up the whole bag if I wanted and still have full strong suction. So, and it doesn't take up much room here at all. So, but that's it. Now I just got to get more organized. Hopefully I'll do some more videos once I get more set up here. And I'm going on 8 years now with my Super PID. 8 years on my Porter Cable single speed router. If you're still running regular routers, not VF spindles or whatever, get a Super PID. It was the greatest investment. It wasn't not even a couple $100 or something like that, and I never had an issue. The only thing I ever had to do to this is change brushes. But recently, the bearing is finally going. I run a lot of aluminum and a lot of G10, and I've done a lot of carbon fiber in the past, which is why I have this room closed off. So that bearing is exposed on there. So just throughout the years, but it's been like that for a year, and I just keep spraying it down, cleaning it up, airing it out, stuff like that. So get a Super PID if you don't have a VFD. Works simple. You just hook it up to your router. 18,000 RPM. 18,000 RPM. I run these cheap bits. This is all I run. Crap ton of these. All I run is cheap bits. You can see all those in there. $2 to $5 bits. They last me forever. So, Super PID, guys. Oh, it's so dirty. Oh, gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna get some adapters so I can run some 2.5-inch tubing, so I can use it for vacuum and also on the bandsaw and the belt sander. So cool. Like, subscribe. Thanks, guys. Maybe I'll start doing some more video again if people are still watching me. See ya.